If your boss was Mugabe, you'd be thinking about retirement too. George Charamba has seen it all in Zimbabwean politics. Charamba's journey began in 2000, when he was appointed as the presidential spokesperson in Robert Mugabe's administration. He's been a key player through thick and thin, right up to Mugabe's ouster in 2017. From working with big names like Jonathan Moyo and Webster Shamu, to denouncing the opposition MDC and CCC, Charamba's influence has been undeniable. But recently, he took to X, dropping a major hint about his future. In a heartfelt post, Charamba shared his pride in his daughter Komborero, an environmental engineer with ZVAITWA, who's making waves with her onion farming. He called it a verdurous piece of God's earth and praised her success, showing that succession is just as important in family as it is in politics. So, what's next for Charamba? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, he's left an indelible mark on Zimbabwean politics. Stay tuned for more updates.